Cleveland Center, 9-1 Victor Kilo. We'd like to get a deviation 10 degrees to the right for weather.
Number 9-1 Victor Kilo, deviation try to course approved, direct destination when able.
Okay, deviation right of course approved, direct destination when able, 9-1 Victor Kilo.
Yeah, 1 Victor Kilo, it'll be probably be about the time we get up towards Erie International that we'll make the turn to the left.
Number 901 Victor Kilo, roger.
Is that enough of a turn out of the way for you?
Yeah,
no,
see the build, see the build up there?
Yeah.
I'm looking at the visual one.
Yeah, right.
I'm Eric Reese. I sell real estate for a living, but I fly and instruct in the Aerostar for fun. Join us on our travel and training adventures in the world's fastest light piston twin.
You're supposed to look really confident, Joel, when your customer that just spent 6 figures with you hops in the airplane. You're supposed to have this really confident look on your face. Oh, you need to work on that. Could be worse though. I could be watching you over there praying. Well, hopefully we won't see you in 45 minutes.
So right hand on the mag start switch, and the left hand is on the mixture. So as soon as it fires,
Clear.
No.
What happened?
Huh?
Oh, I hit the boost pump.
Yeah. Mixture.
You got oil pressure?
Yep.
Good. It's been working well.
Okay, so oil pressure's good. So that's number 1 check. Number 2 check is that your pressure come up. Just keep it at 1,000 RPM.
Hydraulic pressure came up?
It came up, and the right red light is out, and you've got pressure. So that's pretty much it at that point. So let's just bring it on back to idle.
Clear left.
There it is. Nice start without overspeeding.
Capital City Airport information, Papa 1856
Where the
Zulu
hell is
weather.
that going?
Wind 110 at 4, visibility 6, haze. Ceiling 2,000 broken, 4,000 overcast. Temperature 27, 2.21, altimeter 3012. ILS approaching you, landing and departing runway 8 and 12. Notice airmen, caution, bird activity on and about the airport. Updated airmen and hazardous weather information available on flight service frequency. Advise on initial contact. Give information, Papa.
Capital City ground, Aerostar 901 Victor Kilos at Juliet Delta, IFR clearance on request.
Aerostar 901 Victor Kilo, Capital City ground, clear to the Baton International Airport. It'll be via radar vectors as filed, maintain 3000. Expect flight level 240, 10 minutes after departure. Departure 124.1, squawk 1760.
Aerostar 91 Victor Kilo, cleared to Baton International via radar vectors and as filed. Climb maintain 3000, expect flight level 240, 10 minutes after departure, 124.1, 1760.
Aerostar 1 Victor Kilo, the readback is correct. Star 91 Victor Kilo, runway 8, turn left, heading 050, clear for takeoff.
Okay, we're runway 8, cleared for takeoff, then left 050, Aerostar 91 Victor Kilo.
Pumps, okay, we're good.
Pump, dump steering. Pitot heat is on.
All right, as we're rolling down the runway and the power's coming up, if we got any anomalies when we're on the ground, we're going to put it right back down on the ground. Stop. If we're up and the gear is up, we're going to go.
Sounds good. Now I'm going to run up here.
Okay.
So I'm going to straighten out.
Get that wheel straight. And it is...
We're there, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so I'm going to go. Pumps are on, lights, camera, action, mixture.
For high altitude, you should run that up to about 1500 RPM before you bring the mixtures in. Otherwise, you're liable to kill it. So, okay.
Okay, so we're coming up to 30 inches.
Yep.
Pressurization's coming in.
Right there. right. There you go. A little bit more, and it didn't quite come up even, and it was.
Oh, we're a little over boosting.
Okay, it's close enough. All right,
Airspeed's alive.
Relax back pressure a little bit. Okay, it's all looking good.
80, start to lighten.
Don't rotate.
Okay.
Just lighten it. Okay,
There's
there you
90.
go.
Pause the brake, gear up.
So you came off the ground below VMC.
Okay. And flaps up?
Yep. Okay, everything's looking good.
I can go left now.
Uh-huh.
Aerostar 1 Victor Kilo, contact departure.
Switching to departure, 1 Victor Kilo. Departure, Aerostar 901 Victor Kilo is with you. Off Capital City Airport, 050, climbing through 1,000 for 3,000.
Aerostar 91 Victor Kilo, Harrisburg departure, identity, climb maintain 8,000.
Ident, climb maintain 8,000.
Aerostar 1 Victor Kilo, radar contact, mile east here at Capital City Airport.
Okay, coming back to 37 inches now.
Okay.
And 2,400 RPM.
Okay.
Whoa, those move fast.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Harrisburg departure. 0854 golf, just departing BT, climbing through.
Okay, will you adjust the altitude for me? Just to get. Actually, here I can do it.
0854 golf, Harrisburg departure,
Altitude, cleared to 8,000.
Again, climb in 4,000, 5 for golf. Okay, 854 golf, radar contact, half mile east, Harrisburg International, cleared to Capital City Airport, via fly heading 080, vector for your nav.
Going a little bit fast here.
150 is fine.
Capital City for 5 for golf. Alright, now 1 Victor Kilo, turn left direct Phillipsburg, view R.
Left direct Phillipsburg, 901 Victor Kilo.
Yes, B.
Aerostar 91 Victor Kilo, contact New York Center 132.2, see ya.
New York Center 32.2, see ya.
12, center 1770,000, next 92. Northeast is 441, descend at 900,000, altimeter 3012. Descend at 900,000, 3012, northeast.
There we go, bring down the clouds.
Delta 866, descend the flood level 180. Descend flood level 180, Delta 866. Southwest 6163, cross Troy's at 12,000. Troy's at 12,000, Southwest 6163.
And New York Center, Aerostar 901 Victor Kilo is with you through 5,000 for 8,000 direct. Drop us here, Bravo.
91 Victor Kilo, New York Center, roger, turn 10 degrees right, climb and maintain 17,000.
10 right and up to 17,000, 91 Victor Kilo. So through 10,000 feet, isn't there a checklist for 10,000 feet?
Yes, there is. All that green stuff.
91 Victor Kilo, contact New York Center, 132.87.
3287, 91 Victor Kilo. New York Center, Aerostar 901 Victor Kilo is through 10,510.5 for 17,000.
Remember 91 Victor Kilo, New York Center, climb and maintain flight level 240.
Climb maintain flight level 240, 91 Victor Kilo. Boost pumps, it says low, but with
You
these,
don't have
I want
low.
to leave them on above 10,000.
Climbing above 10, you're going to leave them on. You're going to leave them on for probably half an hour once you get up to altitude.
Okay. Half an hour?
That'll take that long for the
Center Medevac 350, Mike Charlie, 14.5 for 170.
bubbles to get out of the fuel.
Medevac 30,
The ice is
350, Mike
needed,
Charlie, roger.
not needed up here, but would you leave pitot heat on?
I leave pitot. I put pitot heat on all the time.
All the time, okay.
It's a habit, so I never forget it.
Okay, got it. So passing 10,000, pressurization's checked. We're checking it. We're about a 4,000 cabin.
Yep, and your pressure
Altitude.
differential is about 3.5, which will continue to go up as we climb.
Okay, landing lights and pulse lights can come off now.
Yep. Strobes will stay on though.
Strobes will stay on, right? Okay, well, until we get to cruise, we're En route climb checklist is complete. And Center 9-1 Victor Kilo, I think we'll just take radar vectors to the north and get around to Albany.
Number 9-1 Victor Kilo, clear direct to Bradford, that's Bravo Foxtrot Delta, and then direct Racine.
Okay, cleared to direct Bravo Foxtrot Delta, and then direct Racine, 9-1 Victor Kilo.
Let's go ahead and see how the...
Okay. So we're going to take one off. We're looking at the fuel pressure.
Yep.
42. It's dropping 39.
But it's not bouncing around.
It's not going crazy.
Yeah.
Then we're going to go over here. The engine's still running. So we'll drop over here. And we're watching at 39, 38, 36, 37, 38. Yep. Stabilizing.
Okay.
Back up. So we're good.
Good.
When do you leave the boost pumps on during a climb and then just shut them off during cruise? Or do you shut them off during a climb and then back on it?
Okay, whoops.
10,000.
At above 10,000, so if I'm going to climb to 10,000, I just leave them on. Okay, if I'm just going to some altitude less than 10,000, once I've climbed on up and leveled off, I turn them off, whatever that altitude is. But you don't even need them on in the climb below 10. Yeah, we'll get around this shelf up here. I can video that. All right, so what we're doing here is kind of working our way around. Head back to 1. Around the weather here.
Right by Erie. Flight plan.
And then we're going to come up here. We were able to visually see that buildup there underneath the shelf, so that's what we asked for a deviation course to get around that.
Maintain level 330. Number 90339 Papa, areas of scattered moderate precipitation, 12 o'clock, starting in 15 miles, lasting all the way to Bradford. 2350, contact to center 134.12.
Where are we getting our... Oh, because we're not following.
Number 90339 Papa, areas of
so it's
scattered
not giving us our
moderate precipitation, 12 o'clock,
times.
starting in 15 miles, lasting all the way to Bradford.
Copy that, 3 Papa.
So we're trying to get around that buildup. If you want to just turn, you don't have to tell her, but if you want to turn just a little bit and head towards the notch, you can do it. It's maybe 5 degrees left.
11,500, descending to my destination, Bradford.
Number 90339 Papa Roger, and contact Cleveland Center 124.32. Number 90339 Papa Cleveland Center.
Again, we've got technical difficulties with the GoPro audio number, but we had a lot of fun dodging thunderstorms, and all the glass goodies that Drew has in his Aerostar makes it a lot easier and kind of fun to look at all the three colors. Anyway, we're just finishing up the last phase of today's flight, which was from Capital City, Pennsylvania to Racine, Wisconsin. And just sped up the approach here a little bit so you can see how that's all going on, and then the landing, and then we're going to go have some dinner before hitting the hay, and then tomorrow we'll head out and to Alpine, Wyoming, and that'll be another future video. forget, if you like the videos, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell so you get notified when the next ones are coming out. Keep trying to put as many of these out as I can because I know everybody enjoys them and we enjoy making them.
Just landed in Racine, Wisconsin. This is Baton International Airport, 91 Victor Kilo. And everything worked out really good today. And we'll be talking to Drew a little bit later about what he thought. He's just cleaning up, making hotel reservations, and all that kind of good stuff so we can go have some dinner. And it is about 10 to 6 Central Time. So what you think of the flight? First flight in the Aerostar.
It was awesome.
So we were, let's see, actual from motion start to motion stop, we were at 3.4 hours.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, because we did have some time on the ground getting clearance and all that kind of stuff. And actual flight time was what, 2.6
or 2.7?
7.
Yeah.
So not too bad in 588 nautical miles straight line, but we had a lot of
Couple thunderstorms.
a couple thunderstorms to get around.
Little ones.
Little ones. Yeah, that went up to about 40,000 feet. Those are little.
Little.
Yeah.
Relative.
So,
Big to us.
okay, so where do you
Little
think,
huge,
where are we going to try to go tomorrow? Westbound.
I don't know. We'll see.
All right, at least we don't have
We'll
to.
see. I think in like RV speeds. I don't think in Aerostar speed yet, so I might underestimate it if you ask me.
We could go home.
We could.
We could.
We
Or
could.
we could do something else and see how it goes and
Yeah.
stop at another fun spot. Maybe, where's that place?
Alpine, Wyoming. 4-6
Alpine, Wyoming.
uniform.
Yeah. There's another YouTuber that lives there.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think there is.
Just,
There is.
okay, let's go find a hotel and get something to eat.
Woohoo.
We're here on Racine, Wisconsin. This, what's the name of this place? The Corner House on the lake. That is Lake Michigan, right? Never been here. This is pretty cool.
What we got here? Man, they have everything.
That's
So what's
pretty
good here?
Prime rib, and the prime rib
Prime
is really
rib.
good, and the steaks.
All right.
Yeah.
Prime rib over here. Monster. Well, I ordered the 16 ounce. That's more than 16 ounces right there.
That looks like 32 ounces. But is that?
It's a
All right.
monster.
Well, there you go. Make it. You can have some snacks in the morning. Everything flows right